Duck Quest videos are absolutely taking over the internet right now. This new niche is gaining massive engagement across platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and it's growing at an incredible rate. One channel in particular with only 21 videos has already gained 900,000 subscribers and over 200 million views by just uploading AI-generated Duck Quest content. Isn't that amazing? And with this kind of engagement, that channel is on track to make above $10,000 per month. This niche is still relatively new, which means it has low competition, making it the perfect time to jump in and start creating your own viral videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these viral Duck Quest videos from scratch, step by step, using completely free AI tools. No need for expensive software or complicated techniques. So make sure you stick around and watch the video to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's dive in. The first step to creating a viral Duck Quest video is crafting a compelling story. These videos follow a proven formula that captures attention and keeps viewers engaged. A duck finds itself in danger and is rescued by another animal, but then the story takes an unexpected turn. The animal that saved the duck now faces an even greater threat, and this time, the duck becomes the hero, leading to a heartwarming and satisfying ending. This storytelling pattern is what makes these videos go viral, and we're going to replicate it. To make things easy, I've put together a Google Doc with prompts to help you generate your own Duck Quest story script effortlessly. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now let's move on. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the story prompt I've provided. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. This prompt is designed to guide ChatGPT in creating a story where the main structure remains the same. A duckling in danger gets rescued by another animal, but then the roles reverse and the duckling becomes the hero. The key difference is ChatGPT will swap out the supporting animal for a new one, giving your story a unique feel, while still keeping that emotional and engaging storytelling style that makes these videos go viral. Then hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a full, well-structured Duck Quest story script in seconds. Now take a moment to read through the script and see if it matches the vision you have for your video. This process ensures that each video you create feels fresh while still using a format that has already proven to work. Now that we have our story script ready, the next step is to bring it to life with stunning visuals. For this, we'll use Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you haven't already signed up, take a moment to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a plus icon on the main page. Click on it and you'll be taken to the image creation interface where all the magic happens. Before generating images, it's important to adjust the settings to get the best results. First, change the style to realistic. This ensures that the AI produces lifelike images. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Since most Duck Quest videos are created for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, this vertical format is ideal for maximizing screen space and making the visuals look polished and professional. Now that everything is set up, we need detailed prompts to generate the images. To do this, head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then go to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat, then click enter. ChatGPT will then generate a series of highly detailed image prompts based on your Duck Quest story. Once the prompts are ready, copy the first image prompt and go back to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the text box and click enter. Then Ideogram will begin processing the request, and within moments, it will generate multiple image options based on your prompt. Carefully go through the results and pick the one you prefer, then download it to your device. Now repeat this process for each prompt to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to animate our images into smooth, dynamic video clips. For this, Hailuoai is the perfect AI tool. Go over to your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the video creation interface. This is where the animation process begins. Upload the image you want to animate. But in order to generate the best animation, go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact text prompt that was used to generate the image. Then return to Hailuoai, paste it into the text box provided, and then click Generate. Hailuoai will now begin processing the image and animate it into video. This process might take a little while, so be patient. Once it's complete, watch the preview to ensure that the animation looks natural and captures the emotions of the scene. If everything looks good, go ahead and download the animated video to your device. Now repeat this same process to animate the rest of your images into video. The next step is to get the perfect background music to enhance the storytelling. Instead of spending hours searching for copyright-free tracks, we'll create our own custom background tune using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to enter the music creation interface, where we'll generate a unique tune for our video. Since we're focusing on instrumental background music, we don't need lyrics, just a style of music that complements the mood of our Duck Quest story. To get the perfect style of music, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a style of music to create a tune for this script. Then click enter and ChatGPT will provide a suggestion tailored to the theme and emotions of the story. Once you have the music style, copy it and return to Suno. Paste the style into the input field. Give your track a title and then click create. Suno will now generate a custom tune based on the provided music style. In just a few moments, Suno will provide 2 different music tracks based on the chosen style. Take a moment to listen to both tracks. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The last step is to put all the elements together with editing to create the final video. For this, we'll use CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then import all the animated clips into the timeline. Since we're creating a vertical video optimized for platforms like YouTube Shorts and TikTok, the next step is to adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, if any of the clips contain logos or watermarks, they can be easily removed by selecting the clip and stretching it slightly until the watermark is out of view. This keeps the video looking clean and professional, avoiding any distractions for the audience. Next, arrange the clips to ensure the story flows smoothly from one scene to the next. Carefully drag and position each animated clip in the correct sequence, making sure the audience understands your story. Next, we add transitions to our clips. Click on the overlay option and choose the transition that fit the theme of the video. Then click Apply to All to apply the transition to all clips for consistency. With the visuals arranged, now import the background music we created with Suno into the timeline. Background music plays a crucial role in setting the mood, enhancing the emotional impact of the story, and keeping the audience engaged. To make the video even more immersive, we'll add sound effects to make the scenes feel more alive. Open the sound effects library, then search for forests and apply it throughout the entire video to create a natural background atmosphere. Adjust the volume slightly so it blends smoothly with the background music without overpowering it. You can add other sound effects to highlight key moments in the story. Once all the elements are in place, watch the video from start to finish to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. If you are satisfied with the editing, click on Export, then set the video resolution to 4K for the highest quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section.